Hey everyone, I'm Josh and welcome to the latest episode of AVan Tips and Tricks. Hey everyone, Josh here with today's episode of AVan Tips and Tricks. And today we're at the rear of the van, but this one actually applies to all four corners. Today we're looking at the stabiliser legs. So these things from factory sometimes come folded inside, sometimes come folded outside. Today's tip and trick is to tell you to run with them folded inside. Now the reason I say to run with them folded inside is actually to do with your clearance angle. So I've flipped this one round because we usually travel with these folded up inside. But if they're folded up towards the rear, they actually take a fair bit of additional height away from your rear clearance angle. And if you're coming out of a steep driveway or going through dirt tracks or the kind of stuff that we do, these things can hit the ground pretty easily. And I know of people who have had these hit the ground and they've bent them. So let's go down to the front of the van. We'll drop the jockey wheel so that we get enough clearance, because as standard, if this van is level, even if we're on level ground, there's not actually enough clearance to flip this one around. We will lower the front down, give us enough clearance to flip it around. We'll flip it around, we'll stow it facing forwards, and then you just rinse and repeat with all the other corners. Obviously for the rear ones, you want to lower the jockey wheel so it lifts the back of the van up. And for the front ones, you want to lift the jockey wheel up as high as you can so that it lifts the front of the van up. And then all your legs are facing inwards. So let's go down to the front, let's adjust the jockey wheel, and then we'll get these flipped around the right way.
Please don't forget to
like, subscribe and share this video
click the bell
so you don't miss out on any other uploads.
Alright, now in order to flip these around, real simple, you don't need to go messing around unbolting them, flipping them corner to corner or messing around with anything like that. Once you've dropped the front of the van all the way down to the ground, or as far down as your jockey wheel will go, you just grab the handle, pull it out, spin it around, and there you go. Now you've got all that extra clearance here that you didn't previously have before. And also, if you want to stop it rattling, it's now quite easy to wrap an Jockey strap around the chassis and pull that up. Just make sure that if you've got a diesel heater like we do, that you take the Jockey strap off before you fire it up, or it'll melt on the exhaust. And there you go, another real easy one from our AVan Tips and Tricks series. If you're watching this video and if you're enjoying this content, finding our videos useful, it does really help if you'd please like, subscribe and share the videos on our channel. We're rapidly approaching 500 subscribers. It would be really cool to get there on the next couple of videos. If you've got any suggestions, things that you'd like to see, know any more information about our van, please do put a comment below and we'll have a look through the comments and we'll make sure that if there's something that we feel that we can help with, we absolutely will. Thanks everybody for watching, and this has been Josh with AVan Tips and Tricks. Cheers.